Hello YouTube and welcome to our new tutorial. Today we will be learning about the display tools. The following topics we will be covering today. Basically in this video we will understand about view toolbar. The basic tools such as zoom, rotate, pan, normal view, hide or show and fit all can be seen in this view toolbar. The first option is of flying tool. This option is like you are sitting in a plane and reviewing your drawing. By clicking it, you can zoom in or zoom out as shown in the video. Next option is of pan. The pan tool is used to drag the current view in the geometrical area. This option is generally used to display the element or the part of elements that are outside the available geometrical area, without actually changing the magnification of the current drawing. It is like holding a portion of sketch and dragging it across the geometrical area. Many times the situation comes when you have zoomed in the drawing and you have to come out of it. In this case, you can use zoom out option or you can click fit in all to zoom out. The whole drawing will come in the particular geometrical area. The next option is of normal view. The name suggests that it will give us the normal view of the drawing whenever we select it. The normal view tool is used to orient the view normally to the plane in the current workbench. The next tool is multi-view. Let us suppose we have drawn any object and we have to review it in the different views. So for that, this option can be used. It will divide the geometrical screen in 4 parts as shown in the video. And then in each part you can change the view style by selecting the view option. This option makes designer to visualize clearly. The next option is view mode option. In this, a designed object can be seen in the different type of visual style. There are many visual styles like with material or wireframe or simply wired, etc. Each option is shown in the video. Next option is of hide or unhide. Many times the situation comes when we want to hide an object in assembly and want to see how it looks. So in this case we can use this option to hide a particular object. It will disappear from the drawing. And if we want to swap it or see the other part of the drawing, then the option can be used is swap visible space. It will swap to the hidden part of the drawing. That's all for today. Thank you for watching guys. Stay tuned guys for more design tutorials. Do comment, subscribe and share the channel.